Are you getting error message that you don't currently have permission to access this folder or file? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you get "you don't currently have permission to access this folder" message and are unable to access files or folders due to permission issues, then this video shows how to troubleshoot file and folder permission issues in Windows. One of the main problems we face with Windows is its permission issues. Most of them think it's not very pleasant. Here are a few tips which will help resolve such issues. Let's get started. Method 1. Take ownership of the folder or file. Most of the time, the folder or permission of the owner would be set to Trusted Installer. In such cases, you will get this message: "You don't currently have permission to access this folder." When you click or continue, it will say "File access denied, try again." In such cases, you could take ownership of the folder or file to open it or to get access to it. There are various methods to take ownership. The easiest way is to use the Take Ownership shortcut on context menu. You can also follow these steps to take full ownership of files and folders. Open File Explorer, navigate to the file or folder you want to take ownership. Right-click on the target file or folder and select Properties. Select Security tab, click Advanced button, select the Owner tab. Here you can change permissions. You can also follow this guide for details. You can also download and see Ultimate Windows Tweaker to add it easily to your right-click context menu. Sometimes you might see the Document and Settings folder under the C drive of a Windows computer. People who have upgraded from Windows XP might not know about Users instead of Document and Settings. So, if they try to access it and will get the permission error. Document and Settings, it's just a junction point for compatibility with older programs. You should stay away from Windows, program files, etc. Method 2. Disable User Account Control. Click the Windows Start button and then click Control Panel. The control panel appears. Select large icons on the right-hand side under the View By menu if you are not already in the large icons view. This will display the control panel features as icons. Locate and click on User Accounts. The User Accounts panel appears. Click the Change User Accounts Control Settings option. The User Accounts Control Setting dialog box appears. Windows USE settings have a slider to change between different notification levels. Change to Never Notify. Next, reboot your PC. Once you complete your task, change the slider to notify me only when programs try to make changes to my computer. Method 3. Enable Built-in Administrator Account. Click the Windows Start button and type in CMD. Right-click on CMD and click on Run as Administrator. The command prompt will open up, then type in this command. Hit Enter. You will get a message, "Command run successfully." Then net user administrator password and then press Enter. Type net user administrator password and then press Enter. Please replace the password tag with your passwords which you want to set for the administrator account. To disable the administrator account, run this command. Method 4. Reset the default security permissions. If that fails, then something is wrong with your operating system. Sometimes registry settings might get messed up. In those cases, we could try to reset the default security permissions. Click the Windows Start button and type in CMD and then right-click on CMD and click on Run as Administrator. The command prompt will open up, then type in "Check this Microsoft KB 313222 for more info about this command. Please restart the computer and test it." Method 5. Run System File Checker. Next, run the System File Checker. Open CMD as an administrator. The command prompt will open up, then type this command in the CMD window and hit the Enter button. If none of the steps helped, then you might be looking at a corrupted operating system. Turn to run a repair, install, or reset this PC. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.